May mensahe ka? Ha? What do you want? Oh, you saw the snap. Come here. Come here. Come here.
And then when it's open, hit the register, please. And then US, right? Yeah. You can choose first US.
Okay. Here.
Your state.
Okay.
Yes. Where you live. Yeah, and then next page, please.
Kasi ito naman si Ma'am, meron na
Ito, anong hinintay nyo, Day? Day off nyo na naman. Day off nyo na naman. Nasa Gucci pa kayo. Ang mga tagapagbayad.
Ang tagapag-order.
Pa-champagne lang sa Gucci. Hala, sino yan?
Ano, Heart?
Ito, saan nakayanin ng...
Picturean mo. Hi. Hi. Pinaskas ko yung card ng asawa ko. Huwag ka maingay.
Hi.
Hi, sakit sa ulo.
Ano be? Ninong, kaya pa?
Hindi na kaya. Hindi naman magsalita.
Sabi niya siguro, ang dami naman sa city.
Bakit? Di ko pa napunta.
I will text you both of you later for the future.
No
Yeah,
worries,
we
no
have.
worries.
Since you're planning to buy a house here, right?
Yes, we're planning, yes.
Yes.
We're
And
browsing
then-
actually.
Yeah.
Sign here, please.
Thank you so much. You've been helpful.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah, got it.
Ay,
Di ba walang kaskas mo ang mga...
ang bag. Meron pa dyan.
Oo. Tsaka sinabihan ni Esam na wala.
Hindi ko alam yun.
Ay, sino ka dyan? May Gucci pala yan.
Ayun na.
Ito yung appetizer. Spanish octopus.
Ay.
Share.
Thank you, Natalie, for the dinner.
Thank you for the neither. Thank you, Beth. Love you. Thank you.
Where's the bathroom?
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Bob.
Yeah, I got it. No worries.
Thank you.
I got you.
Cheers, guys. Cheers. Love. Thank you for Thank you for the experience. Thanks for the opportunity.
Oo, love. Kasunod dapat. Pili ba?
Sana all.
Pakuha na natin yan. Pagtabi namin na natin. Omar. Pagtabi natin.
Yeah, you won't. You do the lobster tail.
Thank you.
Ano na natin?
I'm sure.
Thank you so much.
Take a picture, please.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Mag-isa tayo pa. Sige. Kunin mo na yan para sa inyo ni Mako.
Sige.
Ito. Nalina mo talaga. Naalala ko na naman yung sa atin sa... Ang ganda-ganda ng kuha niya. Parang pa-angle-angle.
Tomorrow.
Mahalo, guys. Mahalo. Mahalo.
Ito, anong hinihintay nyo, Day? Day off nyo na naman. Day off nyo na naman. Nasa Gucci pa kayo. Ang mga tagapagbayad.